If you are starting a business or attempting to grow a business, you definitely need these essentials that I am going to share in today's video. So stay tuned and get your pen and paper ready because I'm about to be coming with the heat. Let's go. Hey Hustle Babes, I'm Chanel the Brand Hustler, and this is a channel for all of my hustle babes who are interested in gaining insight on the entrepreneur journey while learning essential marketing and business tips for their brand. If that sounds like you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join the Hustle Babe community. Today's video is going to be so good because I am going to be sharing with you certain apps and tools that you need for your business in 2022. Now, these list of apps are apps and tools that I've used personally or that I've used in the past when I had my boutique. And y'all, they are so helpful. They help you get organized. They help you be a little bit more official. And they really just help to get you together as a business owner. So if you intend on launching a business, or if you're currently in business and you know that one of your resolutions for this year is to get yourself more together, then you definitely want to make sure that you take a note of all of these apps and tools that I share with you today. Another thing that I want to mention is that all of these may not have apps. Some of these are simply websites and some of these are softwares. So make sure that you're not just cruising the app store when looking for these things. You need to be looking on Google as well as your app store for the tools that I list out here today. Without further ado, let's go ahead and hop straight into this video. The first tool that I want to share with you is called Gusto. Now, Gusto is a tool that isn't necessarily for new business owners per se, unless you're starting out your business with an actual team, right? So Gusto is a way for you to pay your team. So pay like your contractors, if you have full-time employees, even if you have yourself as like a full-time employee of your own business, Gusto is a way that you can pay your team and also get paid. They also have a time feature in there where you can put how many hours you worked. There's the ability to have different documents that need to be signed, uploaded into Gusto and sent to the people that you're hiring. So it's definitely a tool that you want to check out if you intend on hiring a team. It can help you be very organized when it comes to the HR side of your business. That way you don't have to worry about paying an HR professional for it. You can use Gusto. The second tool that I want to share with you is one of my favorites, and that is ShipStation, okay? And so ShipStation makes it super easy for you to ship out your orders. One of the problems that a lot of business owners have is that when they get multiple orders, like let's say you get 20 orders and you want to make shipping a breeze, like you don't want to sit there for an hour, like having to click every single order, printing out every single label separately, right? You want to be able to do that action in bulk. Well, ShipStation allows you to do that. With ShipStation, you can literally do bulk actions such as printing out your shipping labels, printing out the packing slips, and more. And not only that, but ShipStation also gives you discounted rates when it comes to shipping your packages. Check out my description box because I'm gonna put a link in there so that you can get a discount if you're interested in ShipStation. Trust me, it saves you so much time. You can literally print out the labels as you're working on actually packaging the orders. The third tool that I want to share with you is Quickbooks. Quickbooks is one that I feel like a lot of people know about, yet they don't use. And so I want to share with you just my experience and why I feel like you need to start off, even if this is your day one in business, you need to start off with a tool like Quickbooks. There are some competitors out there that you can use as well. However, when it comes to getting like a financial professional, they tend to use Quickbooks for the most part, like all around. So I would just say stick with Quickbooks. If you don't have a financial software tracking things like your receipts, maybe you use your car for business, so tracking your mileage, or just tracking how much you're making and spending period across the board in your business, when you start to make some real money, and that's not to say like the first few sales you get aren't important, because they are. However, when you start to make real money and you're filing taxes, it's going to be very hard, right? How do I put this the legal way, Chanel? Hold on. It's going to be very hard to file your taxes properly without those types of records, if that makes sense, right? And then you always want to have records of things in the like rare case that you are actually audited. As you grow your business, you're not going to want to keep up with the day-to-day expenses, the day-to-day revenue of your business, and organizing all of that. You're going to want to hire a professional such as like a CFO, or maybe you just want to hire a tax professional or an accountant, anything like that, right? And when you hire those people, because QuickBooks is something that's so widely used within that arena, they're going to need to clean up your books for you and get you into QuickBooks. So you might as well start using it from day one, or at least have clean books from day one. So that way, when you hire someone like that, the transition is easy. When I hired my CFO literally had to go through a cleanup process that took her, I think it was like 3 weeks or something like that, to clean up things that I had that weren't organized before. So don't be like me, be better than me, and start using QuickBooks right now, okay? And so the fourth tool that I wanna share is Asana, right? And there are other tools actually. I don't wanna just say Asana. I just wanna say Asana and tools that are like Asana. So you have like Monday.com, you have Trello, ClickUp, those type of tools. The reason why having a tool like Asana is so important is because you can organize yourself, like your day-to-day tasks, your month-to-month tasks. You can also organize things like your content. If you have a marketing campaign that you're planning, you can organize all of this stuff using tools like Asana, Trello, Monday.com, ClickUp, etc. Personally, I use Asana to manage my team's tasks. So everyone has their own task board, but in addition to that, we also have combined task boards where, let's say we're executing a project for a client and someone is assigned this task and someone else is assigned the other task. We can see the progress of both tasks, and they can give attachments, give comments, things like that on there. And I also use Asana for my content, right? So my Instagram content and my YouTube content, they're all planned and managed in Asana. So that way my content designer can see what she needs to design. My video editor can see what he needs to edit. I can put all of my thoughts in one place. It is amazing, okay? So definitely make sure that you get one of those tools such as Asana, Trello, ClickUp, etc. The fifth tool that I want to share with you is Google Workspace. Google Workspace is amazing because it's an all-in-one solution for your business. You have everything in Google Workspace, from a phone, so Google Voice. You have the ability to have obviously your Gmail, your calendar. You have Google Meet, you have Google Chat. You have so much within Google Workspace. There are a ton of apps, and I don't know all of them, so I can't list all of them. However, when you use Google Workspace, you give yourself the ability to operate as a kind of high-level corporation without needing to pay that high-level corporation type of price. So definitely check out Google Workspace. Another thing that's important to note is that when it comes to like getting like your professional email address, for example, so if you want an email address that ends in your business name, you get that through Google. There are other places you can get that, but I personally get all of my email addresses from Google. So when you email us at support@thebrandhustler, that is an email address that I actually purchased through Google, and I'm able to manage through Google as well. The sixth tool that I want to tell you about is another favorite of mine, and that is Canva. So if you know anything about me, you know that I literally design all of my Instagram content, all of my slides for all of my classes that I've ever taught, all on Canva. So Canva is basically a online graphic design tool that makes it super easy for you to create simple designs. You can use Canva to customize templates that were designed for you from an agency, hint, hint. You can also use Canva to design like your Instagram content. Maybe you have Facebook content you want to design, or a Facebook banner, or maybe you want to have like a cool email header. There's so many different things that you can design in Canva, and Canva has upgraded since it's been created, to the point where you can now edit videos on Canva. You can also add cool moving stickers on Canva. You can do a bunch of cool effects on Canva. It's amazing. So I definitely suggest that you check it out. You know that your girl had to go ahead and become a partner of Canva. So as a Canva Pro affiliate, I actually have a special link for you, which is also going to be in the description box, that you can use to get a premium trial completely for free. So if you want to check out all the premium features that are on Canva for free for a limited time, definitely click the link in my description box and start your free trial and start designing some stuff, sis, because literally Canva is a lifesaver. Like, I'm on Canva every day, no cap. Probably once an hour I open up a Canva. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, I'm so serious. So definitely check out Canva. If you got nothing from this video, get Canva from this video and open the description box and go ahead and start your free trial. The next tool that I want to share with you is Shopify. The reason why Shopify made this list is because I find that a lot of people still don't know what website platform to use. But not only that, I find that a lot of people are still trying to sell via DM, which I absolutely don't approve of. So the least you can do when starting a business is to get yourself a website, even if that means you're making it yourself. Now, if you have the ability to pay someone else to design your website, please do that, so that way you could start off on the right foot the first time. And by paying someone, I mean paying an actual professional who has like a portfolio of work, right? Quality work, such as the Hustle Babe Agency, which is my design agency that I own. My team is amazing, like amazing. If you are interested in working with us, you definitely can. If you want to take a stab at doing it yourself, I'm going to put the link to a video that I broke down how to design your own Shopify website right here, so that you could test that out. But of course, if you go and you try and you feel like, I don't want to do this, this is a lot of work, and I'd rather pay a professional to do this, you can definitely hire my team to design it for you. But Shopify is on this list because you need to get a website. The next tool that I want to share is an email marketing tool that is top tier. This email marketing tool is super advanced, and it can do so many things to the point that I haven't even used all the features that it can do. But it is amazing, and that is Klaviyo. So if you are looking for an email marketing platform that is super advanced, high tech, but gives a lot of great results when it comes to email marketing, you definitely want to check out Klaviyo. Not only that, but they added SMS as well. So if you're interested in sending text messages to your customers, or maybe abandoned cart text messages or anything like that, you want to go ahead and check out Klaviyo. The next tool that I want to share is Latercom. Latercom is a tool that you can utilize to schedule out your social media content. It comes in handy because you don't want to be pressed for time when it comes to posting social media content. You rather have things already scheduled out, already ready to go. And not only that, but Later.com has different platforms that you can actually schedule content on. So it's not just Instagram. You can schedule content on Facebook. You can schedule content on TikTok now even. So you definitely want to check out Later.com and get some of your content pre-scheduled so that you can save time and hopefully see higher results with your content, because you're not pressed for time when it comes to posting and creating that content. Last but not least, the last tool that I want to share with you is a website called Uline.com. This is one that a lot of people don't mention when they talk about business essentials, but I'm mentioning this to you because I recently started building business credit. Like I started on my journey, my business credit building journey, right? And I wish I started when I first started this business. So if you're watching this video and you were just starting out in business, or maybe you started business like recently, like maybe the past few months or so, and you haven't thought about building business credit, definitely check out Uline.com, because you can get supplies from them, from tape to boxes to plain poly mailers and things like that. And you can set yourself up on a net account so that way you can build credit. Now, build business credit. I am not like a business credit guru or anything like that, so I'm not gonna sit here in front like I am. However, that is a great way to have at least something under your belt within your business's name. And if you want to learn more information about business credit and things like that, I urge you to find a business credit specialist that can talk to you a little bit more about it. But right now, create the account on Uline.com and look for stuff on Uline and check out with a net account, okay? But you have to make sure that your business is like legally registered and all that jazz. So make sure you consult with a business credit specialist, okay? Or just look it up on your own and figure it out. But those are all of the tools that I wanted to share with you guys today. These are all super essential for your business. Trust me, y'all, having these makes running your business so much smoother. It makes it so much more organized, and you get to be more productive in your business. So check those tools out. If you want the links to ShipStation, Canva, Klaviyo, or to my target audience workshop, make sure that you go ahead and open up the description box and click those links, because most of them give you links to like free stuff and discounts and a lot of goodies. So go ahead and open up the description box. Now, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscription button, because why are you here if you're not subscribed? Give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with someone you know it can help. And if you're not following me on Instagram already, make sure that you follow me at The Brand Hustler. I drop tons of gems over there. So you definitely want to head over there and grab the gems that you can grab, okay? And if you are interested in seeing a little bit of my personal life, check out my Instagram at IamChanelQ. And other than that, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, Hustle Babes. Bye.